In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove or delete a repost on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now, first off, let me repost a video. We can easily do so in that way. Now it says you reposted, and if you've done that accidentally and you want to delete that repost, you can easily do so right from here, from that video. All you have to do is just tap at share icon again. It says remove repost now. We can just tap on it to remove that repost. However, also, you can easily find all the videos that you've reposted on your TikTok profile. To do that, just head over to your profile page. Then tap right here at that tab. And what that will do, that will show you all the videos you ever reposted on TikTok. If you would like to remove a repost from some video, all you have to do is just head over to that video, tap at share, and then remove repost. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.